Ability, skill. She has the ability to speak 3 languages fluently. Accept, agree. He decided to accept the job offer. Achieve, accomplish. She worked hard to achieve her goals. Act, perform. He had to act quickly in the emergency. Add, include. Please add your name to the list. Admit, confess. He had to admit his mistake in front of everyone. Advice, suggestion. She gave me good advice about my career. Affect, influence. The weather can affect your mood. Agree, consent. They agree to meet at noon every week. Allow, permit. The teacher will allow students to use dictionaries. Answer, reply. She gave a clear answer to the question. Apply, submit. He will apply for a job at the company. Argue, debate. They often argue about the best solution. Ask, request. She will ask for help with her homework. Avoid, prevent. Try to avoid eating too much sugar. Begin, start. Let's begin the meeting on time. Believe, trust. I believe he is telling the truth. Benefit, advantage. Exercise has many benefits for your health. Break, shatter. Be careful not to break the glass. Build, construct. They plan to build a new school in the neighborhood. Buy, purchase. She wants to buy a new phone this week. Call, contact. Please call me when you arrive. Carry, transport. He will carry the heavy bags upstairs. Change, alter. She wants to change her hairstyle this month. Check, verify. Always check your work before submitting it. Choose, select. You can choose any color you like. Clean, tidy. She will clean the house before the guests arrive. Clear, obvious. The instructions were very clear. Close, shut. Please close the door behind you. Collect, gather. He likes to collect old coins as a hobby. Come, arrive. Please come home before it gets dark. Complete, finish. He will complete the project ahead of schedule. Connect, link. This road will connect 2 major cities. Consider, think about. Please consider all the options before deciding. Continue, proceed. She will continue reading after dinner. Control, manage. He struggled to control his anger. Copy, duplicate. Please copy this document for the meeting. Create, make. She loves to create beautiful paintings. Cut, slice. He will cut the bread into thin pieces. Deal, handle. She knows how to deal with difficult situations. Decide, choose. He will decide to study abroad next year. Describe, explain. Can you describe what happened at the scene? Develop, grow. The company plans to develop a new product. Discover, find. Scientists expect to discover a new planet soon. Discuss, talk about. Let's discuss this topic in class today. Do, perform. She will do her homework every evening. Drive, operate. He likes to drive to work every day. Earn, make. She works hard to earn a good salary. Eat, consume. He likes to eat breakfast every morning. Enjoy, appreciate. She enjoys reading in her free time. Enter, go into. Please enter through the main door. Explain, clarify. The teacher will explain the grammar rule clearly. Face, confront. She had to face many challenges in life. Fall, drop. The leaves fall from the trees every autumn. Feel, sense. He feels happy when he helps others. Find, locate. Can you help me find my keys? Follow, obey. Always follow the safety rules at work. Forget, overlook. Don't forget to call your parents tonight. Get, obtain. She hopes to get a promotion at work. Give, provide. He will give a speech at the ceremony. Go, travel. They go to the gym every morning. Grow, expand. The business plans to grow rapidly next year. Handle, manage. She always handles difficult situations professionally. Help, assist. He always helps his classmates with their work. Hold, grip. She will hold the baby carefully. Hope, wish. He hopes to travel the world someday. Improve, enhance. She works hard to improve her English every day. Include, contain. The package will include a user manual. Increase, raise. Exercise can increase your energy levels significantly. Join, participate. She wants to join a new club at school. Keep, maintain. Keep the kitchen clean at all times. Know, understand. He knows how to fix computers very well. Learn, study. She likes to learn something new every day. Leave, depart. He will leave the office at 6 p.m. Let, allow. She lets her children play outside after school. Listen, hear. Please listen carefully to the instructions. Live, reside. They live in a small apartment downtown. Look, observe. Look at the beautiful sunset over the mountains. Love, adore. She loves spending time with her family. Make, produce. He will make a delicious dinner tonight. Meet, encounter. She hopes to meet new friends at the event. Move, transfer. They plan to move to a new city next year. Need, require. She needs more time to finish the project. Open, unlock. He will open the window to let in fresh air. Pay, spend. She pays her bills on time every month. Plan, organize. They will plan a surprise party for her birthday. Play, engage. The children play in the park every afternoon. Practice, train. He practices guitar for 1 hour every day. Prepare, arrange. She will prepare a delicious meal for her guests. Produce, generate. The factory produces thousands of cars each year. Read, study. He likes to read the newspaper every morning. Receive, obtain. She will receive a gift from her friend soon. Remember, recall. Do you remember your first day of school? Run, sprint. He runs 5 kilometers every morning. Save, preserve. She saves money every month for her travels. Say, state. He will say goodbye before leaving the party. Send, transmit. Please send me the report by email today. Show, display. She will show her artwork at the exhibition. Speak, talk. He loves to speak 3 languages with his friends. Stop, halt. Please stop the car at the traffic light.